As I begin my tribute to my mother, a quote by Alice Walker comes to mind. Though her stay here amongst us was brief, she epitomized her nature by loving, always helping, and inspiring almost everyone she met.
I have such profound memories of her because I have mostly equated her with my mother, not only as a mother figure or something like that, but as women who were far ahead of their times.
She was beautiful, smart, and always smiling. The teacher very good, cooperative, helping everybody, and taking interest in all the teachers. If somebody wanted help, she used to help also.
I've always seen her so well dressed and with her, makeup and all that. I used to admire her lipstick a lot.
She used to treat her like her own child, and she used to be so affectionate and so nice to every one of us. She even became a friend of my mother, and what Mr. Narendra Modi is practicing now, yoga, she was teaching 40 years back.
And her mother was an all-rounder, because I remember whenever I needed a good facial, hop, skip and jump from Fatehganj to Polytechnic. I was there at their place, facial, lunch, and then chit-chat, and then come back home. So these are the little things I remember about her mom, and ever smiling.
She was an all-rounder in every way. Good in arts and craft, good in cooking, plants, yoga in those days, makeup, hair cutting, what all, in everything.
She had an operation, heart operation or something. Once she had showed me, and sir, I am living on time. I don't know when I will go.
I'll always remember her kind and compassionate heart, her fierce mind, her brave spirit, and the fountain of creativity in her, whether it involved art, craft, dance, drama, or her cooking. Boy, do I miss her cooking.
She was an amazing cook, and I think I loved her kadhi, her Sindhi kadhi, amazing. And the other thing was, she loved arts in such a way that she used to choreograph dances for our nursery, lower KG, higher KG. And the best one was Mohe Pannagatta Pe Choda Gayo Nandalal. I think that's how it went. And that was an amazing choreographed piece where it was all of us in lower KG, where we used to go around and we had to do that dance, and it was amazing. It was such a brilliant piece. I remember that vividly. Our annual functions used to be in Gandhinagar Guru, because Rosary at that time didn't have an auditorium, and it was like she would run around if somebody was mixing it up or making mistakes, and then she would come around and correct it.
When I cook fast food for my grandchildren or anything that I stitch, it is like she is with me. Everything reminds me of her. And this is the way I remember her. I feel she is with me all the time.
She was like a vision. Believe me, she was like a vision. And I could be wrong, or maybe that I just saw her in that outfit so many times. She was like a diva, okay? And I'm this three years old, and I'm looking up to this woman in amazement, Sangeeta.
At a very early age, I learned from her that it was nice to be important, but even more important to be nice. Because she revealed to me the miracle of humanity, gratitude, and giving back in whatever capacity possible. Her definition of success was a bit non-traditional than most of us. And it was about being kind, genuine, good-hearted, open-minded, and non-judgmental. And that's the very yardstick by which I measure my success each day.
I remember a sense of belonging and calm and an acceptance. Believe me, you know, I'm 42 and I can say these things, but right now I am emotionally describing what I felt as a 3-year-old. I knew it was okay, and it was a lot to do with her being around.
એ વખતના ગુરુ શિષ્યના પ્રેમની અને આજના ગુરુ શિષ્યના પ્રેમની કમ્પેરિઝન કરવા લાગ્યો. એ વખતે ગુરુ શિષ્યની જે વિભાવના હતી એ આજે નથી એવું મને લાગી રહ્યું છે.
बच्चों के जो साथ में रहे ना वो कभी भूल नहीं सकते. मैं ऐसे कहती हूँ, मैं तो कितने हजारों बच्चों की माँ हूँ.
તુરિયાનું ગલકાનું શાક જે બનાવીએ છીએ તે રેસીપી મેં કોઈના મમ્મીએ મને આપી હતી, એ મને યાદ આવ્યું.
It's almost 30 years that I'm teaching. Rosary students, they definitely stand out in a crowd. Because in Rosary, we have been preparing them for life. We still prepare them for life. I was young, I never wanted to be a teacher. But all these years, you know, the perk that I get, their love and their affection, nothing can match this love and affection that we get as teachers.
Funky jewelry. My God, she was the queen of costume jewelry, I think.
She was one of the other persons where her love for accessories, she had a big kind of a stand where all her bangles would be arranged in color coordination, which I still remember, be it Tarabag or even back down near Polytechnic.
Nirmala teacher was their nursery teacher, and I still remember her mother in a very pleasant manner with long earrings. My daughters used to come and say कि मम्मी आज मैनन टीचर ने ये पहना ये पहना.
I cannot forget her grey Vespa horse or whatever horse that she was like a guided missile coming into school, you know. I mean, she would have been arrested for speeding in today's day and age, the way she kind of, with a cloud of dust, just came into school, you know, and Menon teacher has arrived.
Very loving, a very kind person. The first confident person that I had seen in my life. She used to carry herself so well, and I've always seen her so well dressed.
सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ઓમ શાંતિ શાંતિ શાંતિ. રૂપાની દીકરીને હું ગુલાબજાંબુ બોલતો હતો. પછી સંગીતા એટલે એનું નામ મ્યુઝિકા પાડેલું હતું. ત્યાર પછી આપણી ઇલેક્ટ્રા ટીચરની દીકરી એ હાઇટમાં બહુ સારી ઊંચી હતી એટલે એનું નામ કુતુબ મિનાર પાડેલું હતું.
મારા સનના ફર્સ્ટ બર્થડે પર એક વસ્તુ આપેલી, એનો હું ફોટો બતાવીશ તને. સ્વીટ હોમનો. આજે પણ મારી ડોટર મને કહ્યું કે હા મિનન ટીચર ને પેલા મોરપીસના પેલા લટકણિયા લઈને આવતા હતા. એટલે એ વખતે જે હતું ને એ લાગણી હતી. આજે લાગણી બહુ છે, પણ આ લાગણીનો દેખાવો છે.
Love that I got from the students is too much. Sometimes when I joined the school in 69, I used to teach in 7th standard. The students were very small, but they loved me so much that sometimes one student said, "Teacher, હું તમારા માટે એક કેરી લાવેલો છું." Oh yes, so sweet. So someday some girl would say, "Teacher, I have brought some almonds for you." Sometimes they brought something or the other. So I remember those days very much. So I don't think that nowadays the students would have so much affection, so much respect.
કેમેસ્ટ્રીના ટીચર તરીકે મારી સ્ટ્રિક્ટ ટીચર તરીકે ઇમ્પ્રેશન હતી. સ્ટુડન્ટ મારાથી થોડાક બહુ ગભરાતા હતા. મને યાદ છે કે એ વખત મારું કેસરી કલરનું સ્કૂટર હતું. 12th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં મારો ફર્સ્ટ પીરિયડ કેમેસ્ટ્રીનો હોય, બિકોઝ આઈ વોઝ ક્લાસ ટીચર. એટલે છોકરાઓ પહેલું જુએ કે કેસરી કલરનું હનુમાન કલર સ્કૂટર આવ્યું છે કે નહીં. એ સ્કૂટર આવ્યું હોય તો જરા એમ લાગે હેડ પીરિયડ ભરવો પડશે. એટલે અમારે બહુ આનંદ છે કે બહુ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અમારા બહુ આગળ ગયા છે, રોઝરી સ્કૂલનું પણ નામ છે. તો અમે એવી ઈચ્છા રાખીએ કે હજી પણ રોઝરી સ્કૂલનું નામ એવું જ રહે.
We were very good friends. We hit it off from day one. From day one. Never took each other for granted. No ego issues. And somehow, I don't know, at least I think it was both ways, that we felt this would last forever. I'm getting emotional. And it did last.
She just lived for the amount that she lived. You know, she was a comet. She was a blazing comet. You know, and I'm sure God just said, "Hey, it's too good to be there." I miss her.
The void of not having her at my wedding and my children missing out on knowing their very vibrant, very dynamic and beautiful grandmother shall forever stay with me.
फुलवारी है